田先生你好，作为浙江的本土企业，自1992年创立至今呢，SiAN一直深耕在阀门领域，并且现在也已经成为了中国消防阀行业跟工业气体平阀行业生产跟经营的领导者。可以跟我们分享一下您成功的关键吗？
好的，SiAN在创业的初期就已经明确了自身的使命，那就是致力于流体控制，创造人类的安全宜居环境。带着这份使命，SiAN人团结一致，务实肯干，更有着高效的工作能力和卓越的创新精神，这才有了我们SiAN今天这样一个精品企业的面貌。
田先生在创业的初期，仅用了短短2年的时间就打入了海外市场，并且呢，现在在中国跟美国都已经拥有了自己的研发中心。可以讲讲当初您创业时的一些经历吗
？SiAN创立初期呢，是立足于国内市场，拓展海外市场，先从亚洲，最后到欧洲，再到美国。到目前为止，SiAN的产品遍布于世界各地。
那在目前市场愈发竞争激烈的环境下，SiAN对于未来有着怎样的一个方向呢？
在未来，SiAN依旧为不忘初心，在阀门行业专业，保持匠心，追求品质，研发新的产品，拓展更大的市场，让SiAN的阀门遍布世界各个角落。
好的，非常感谢田董，谢谢。Hi, good afternoon, Mr. J.
Okay, good afternoon.
So, facing such severe epidemic situation, your company was still capable of bringing its SiAN brand products to participate in the world well-known LPG Week exhibition in the past year, and has achieved a leaping success. Can you briefly talk about your corporate advantages compared with other companies?
Okay, so compared with other companies, SiAN has about a 30 years history in the valve industry and has collected a lot of manufacturing experience and manufacturing data. It is one of our specialties to make the manufacturing experience and the data to normalized, scaled, and visualized, and make innovation on this basis accordingly.
Today, I visited your factory and saw the manufacturing processes, techniques inside the workshop. I have found SiAN has gradually moved towards the intelligent, mechanized, and 100% precision manufacturing instead of pure labor control. Then, what are the characteristics of SiAN's products in terms of innovation and leadership?
Okay, so for our SiAN brand products, targeting towards to the international marketing and the middle to high-end customers, we are in relative high level in this industry, no matter in preliminary planning or investment intensive wise. We SiAN exact the high standard for process from material selection, forging, fine machining, final assembly, quality inspection, and packaging, etc. To prevent the occurrence of substandard products, we not only have automated precise processing workshops and Fugami workshops with a daily output about 70,000 units, but also independent dust-free workshops for special customers to meet their customized needs.
Hi, Mr. Zhang. So under current circumstances, does your company still have any plan to participate in any trade fair or exhibition?
Sure. In the coming months, SiAN is planning to attend the 2022 Hanover International Fire Exhibition in Germany, held once every 5 years. This exhibition is a world-leading trade fair for firefighting, rescue services, civil protection, safety, and security. We'll be on site from June 20th to 25th. Looking forward to meeting you there.
Indeed, we are really expecting SiAN to show up again in the international exhibition after half a year. SiAN products made in China, through endlessly pursuing innovation and improving its industry competitiveness, SiAN has performed far more than expected in the market in past year. Thus, do you have anything to share with us, Mr. Zhang?
You're absolutely right. We are on a new journey of SiAN development, following the policy of quality-oriented, persisting in manufacturing and making R&D for valves. Meanwhile, we put more attention and energy not only upgrading our product with high-tech innovation, modernizing manufacturing process with full automation, but also working closely with our partners of value chain to offer one-stop solution package with integrated services, sharing value on Made in China to empower world community.
That will be excellent. For valve products, the market is already mature, while the valve manufacturers are continuously stimulating new creativity. There will also be additional participants brought in new innovation, which shows that the entire valve industry has been growing under the driving force of constant competition and innovation. But I believe SiAN will become better and stronger in the valve field in future. Thank you very much, Mr. Zhang.
Thank you.
As a world-class factory, SiAN is always seeking the innovation possibility under the craftsmanship spirit and pursuing higher quality under the rigorous attitude. After the factory tour this time, we can see that SiAN is a vigorous, strong, and superior manufacturing company. It always has their clear goals and strive for making them accomplished. Solidarity, pragmatism, high efficiency, and innovation are the core values of every SiAN people. Keeping its original intention for 30 years unchanged is also the dream and perseverance for every SiAN people. It is the efforts made by every SiAN people accountable for the success of current SiAN, and we hope to see such efforts and glory continued in future. Committed to fluid control, creating a safe and livable environment for mankind. Water manufacturing in SiAN is a dream of the world.